Alright guys, let's get into the sketching part and the fun part of this. So I'm still using my big pen here and printing paper. So what we want to do now, we want to start with the essentials of sketching. We're gonna do a few squares, gonna do a few circles, a few ellipses, and a few line connections, which I'm gonna show you how to do, all of them. So you might want to start with doing an entire page of just lines. So you want to go from the top to bottom and try to make as straight lines as possible. And then you might want to go over it one more time, and now you can try to make the line go in between the lines you already made. So this is an exercise in precision and speed. And the thing here, guys, is when you're sketching like this, when you're making long lines, it's really important that you use your entire elbow to sketch. So the wrist doesn't move almost at all. You want to keep that steady, and you want to start moving all the way up from your shoulder almost, so that the entire arm is making this line. Why? Because you have way more control over the line. And I'm just gonna show you as an example if I'm using the wrist to make one of these lines. So that would look something like this. You see, we get a curve, and we don't want a curve right now. You can make a curve with your elbow as well. It's going to be a larger radius, like this. If you use it depends on where your pivot point is, right? So if you have a pivot point right here, it's going to make a small radius. And if you lock this wrist and you use your elbow, you're going to obviously have a larger radius and larger curves. So this is sketching with your wrist. This is sketching curves with your elbow. Difference in radius right here. So that's an important thing when you're sketching a straight line. You want to keep your wrist as steady as possible. Also, almost you want to keep your elbow steady and sketch all the way up from your shoulder. And keep your lines straight. And you might want to do a couple of these sheets of paper just like this, and just fill it up with lines to really get your hand going and warm up your arms and all of that. So to recap here, the first exercise that we did right now is a bunch of lines on a blank sheet of paper. What to keep in mind is to sketch from your shoulder and try to lock your wrist when you're doing this. And you want to hold the pen loosely. You don't want to squeeze it too tight. So I'm holding it like this, and I'm not holding it hard at all. And I'm letting the shoulder do the work, okay? So if you have any question whatsoever about this lecture, please let me know. So if you have any questions about this, please let me know. I'm always happy to answer them for you. Now let's jump into the next exercise.